Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got January's #mymonthlynaturalchallenge and it was Snowflakes. I've started off with Peel Ease as my base coat and this is Kiss Gel Strong DTGNP06. I hate it when they don't have names. You know, I just need a name for a polish. I got to know what to call it. I mean, I don't know what the deal is with that, but anywho, here we go with the first coat. Now, I love these Kiss Gel polishes. The formulas are always really good. Now, I am making a little bit of a mess, but that's not the polish's fault. That's this girl's fault. So here we go. We're going to get Woody out here to help us. Hi, Woody. How you doing? So there we go. I am going to go in with the second coat. And this is just a really pretty, like, rosy dark pink. And I was in the mood for some pink. Yes, I was. And I figured Snowflakes, you know, I really wanted to do something a little unusual. I am going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Another note on this manicure is, and this hashtag, the name of this video, this was started by Miss Cronall over on Instagram. I will link her down below if you would like to join the challenge. It's open to everyone. There's that polish all on its own. I'm going to be using Beauty Big Bang 06 and 13 today, as well as my Conad Stamper and my Beauty Scraper, and Beauty Big Bang Gold 011. I'm just going to do a couple of snowflakes on a couple of accent nails, and then I got something else planned for the other nails. Look, girl being lazy didn't break out her tape. Could be bothered. So here we go. We're going to put that one up near the cuticle. And then I'm going to use this other one over in a corner, kind of. Not going to get all of it on the nail, but I'm going to get some of it there. I just kind of wanted to mix it up. You know, you guys know how I do this outside the box thing sometimes. And that's exactly what this is. I do clean off my stamper on a lint roller, and the plate will get cleaned at the end with some pure acetone. And again, we're just pulling these single little snowflakes. So many options. I have to figure out where I'm putting this. I'm going to do this one in the corner. And then this other one's going to go kind of up near the other corner a little bit. Oh, I got smart and got my tape, y'all. Look at that. There we go. I love that snowflake image. It's like a star. I also have this Sister Chic Glam It Way Up. This was her Christmas gift to her swatchers this year. I've been dying to use it. Needed to shake my bottle up apparently. I didn't get very much out on that one. There we go. But I did want just some, like, something to tie the other nails in, but I still wanted to be able to see all that pretty pink. You know. So there we go. I am going to do a second coat of this. See if I can get some more of those gold flakies on my nails. I did that on the all the unsnowflaked nails. Woody back. And we are going to cover these stamping nails with some smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And then I'm going to top everything off with some Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. Make kind of a mess here, but it's hard to paint on that short nail. Very tiny. That's my little problem child right now. As soon as we get that healthy growth out, we'll be good to go. And I did get a little boo-boo there. There's a little bit of gold where it shouldn't be, but I don't care. That's all good. Capping my free edge. And here is my Mani in motion. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. My swatch photo. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.